You have been accepted to the YouTube Partner Program. I got this mail from YouTube on the 16th of November 2023 before getting to 4,000 watch hours. How long did it take my channel to get approval for monetization after applying? 2 days, a week, or 1 month? You can make just one mistake and your monetization can be delayed for 1 month, or your monetization can be rejected. All of your hard work, gone. Okay, let's first see how I applied for monetization so that my monetization gets approval without any delay or any mistake or error. As you must be aware, a channel is eligible for monetization only when your channel has 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But you can get early access when you reach 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. So when you finally get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your earning page should automatically change to this. And now you can begin the process of earning from ads shown on your videos. Now to begin the process, you have the first is the review based terms. So you also have to do is to click on start, and all you have to do is just to accept the terms. And if you want to read the terms, you are free. The next step is to sign up for a Google AdSense account. Click on start. If you don't have a Google AdSense account, then click on no, I need to create one. Those who are already into blogging should have one. So just click on yes, I have an AdSense account to link your AdSense account. Don't create a new account if you own one already by mistake, else you will get rejected. I'll just go with no, I need to create one just for this video. I can later associate this particular channel back to my already created AdSense account. Next, you have to choose the email account you want to use to create your account. You can choose the email you are using for YouTube, and you can also use a different email. It's up to you. Then a page will open and your YouTube URL will be automatically filled here. Then below we will click on get more out of AdSense. I'll just click on yes so that AdSense will keep sending customizable help and performance suggestions to my email. Next, select your country's territory. Click yes to accept AdSense terms. Finally, click on create account. Next, you will have to enter your address. Make sure to enter the right address because Google will send a verification pin to that address. And also, your name here should be the exact name with the bank account you will later use to get payment. Then click on submit. Here you will have to enter your phone number for verification. A code will be sent to you which you will have to enter to verify it's your phone number. Then you'll be redirected to YouTube. Now you have completed the steps. Your dashboard should show in progress. It will take a few hours to get your AdSense account approved. It will take a few days, and in some cases even a few weeks. Personally, I already own an AdSense account at the time I applied for this channel's monetization, and at that time I've already applied to the YouTube Partner Program when I was at 3,500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, just before I get to 4,000 watch hours. So by the time I applied when I was at 4,000 watch hours, it only took my channel about 12 hours to get my channel approved. For the full monetization, it only took my channel about 12 hours only, because I applied around 9 p.m. in the night, and I woke up the following morning to see that my AdSense account, my channel had been approved to start displaying Google Ads. If you have more than 50 videos and you are just applying for the Google AdSense account for the first time, that is, you didn't apply at the time you had 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you are just applying when you get to 1,000 hours, when you get to the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. It can take your channel about a week before your account is approved. For those that already have a Google AdSense account and you've already applied when you have 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, it could take your channel less than 24 hours to get approval. If everything is right, your page should look like this. And by the time you start earning money, your page should look something like this. Now let's talk about the mistakes you should not make when your channel is being reviewed for monetization. Now, when your channel is being reviewed, the YouTube agent check a few things like what your channel is all about, and they have to check every single one of your videos and to see that it's compliance with YouTube terms, YouTube policies. They will also check if you are using foul languages. They also check if you are copying videos from other channels and re-uploading them on your channel, without adding any extra value. They also check if your video has not received any strike, and also if you are not using copyrighted music on your videos. For approval, the checks are done manually. This is not their bot or their algorithm doing all of the testing. This is actually a human being. An agent will just come to check your channel to see if it's compliant and if it is ready for monetization. So because of that, you need to avoid some of these mistakes. Starting with the first one. First, if you already have an AdSense account, do not create another AdSense account and do not tamper with it. If you have an active strike on your channel, try removing it first before applying. If there are any copied videos on your channel, that is video you downloaded from another channel and then re-uploaded it on yours, make it private or unlisted. If you publish reused content, you are going to have issues with monetization, especially if your videos have TikTok watermarks or some kind of watermark placed by the original creator. You are going to have issues with monetization. If everything is right, your channel should be monetized, and congratulations, you can start earning money from ads displayed on your YouTube videos. Now in my next video, I will explain some of the documents you need right now in order to verify your Google AdSense account and also to get your account ready for payment. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the video when I upload them. My name is Victor Smith. I will see you all in the next one.